Good morning, everybody. So, what is today's date? Phalgun 13th, Wednesday, right? And how many days are left for election? 9 days, right? Including today. It means on 21st there will be election, right? So, what are we discussing? We are discussing the project work submitted by our students. This work was submitted by Rakshak Rana. Rakshak, will you come here once? So, who prepared this? We have to find out him also. Give him a big round of applause. Actually, for students, what type of work it was given? To solve all the set questions. Yesterday we discussed the set questions solved by Priyansi, right? And today, Rakshak. Actually, what are we doing? We are opening the files in chronological order. First, who has submitted, that will be opened, and others, right? Okay, please you go that side. Class 9, set 2, he has done. Multiple choice questions, very good. Why is Euglena different from other protista animals? What is the answer? Presence of chlorophyll, right? Euglena, it is a protista, but it contains chlorophyll like plant. Understood, Anand? Question number 2, please read together. Age of rock fossils. Which method is applied? Carbon dating and uranium dating. See, it's very systematically done, no? Question and all options he has done. That's great. Number C. What is the question?
What is the possible reason?
Probable reason for which xylem is known as a complex permanent tissue. What's the answer? Xylem is made up of 4 kinds of tissues, 4 kinds of cells especially. Could you remember what are the cells present in xylem? Tracheids, vessels, xylem fiber, and xylem parenchyma. What are your cells? Tracheids, vessels, xylem parenchyma, xylem fiber. Which of the following is the application of elasticity? Hitting the shuttlecock with the badminton racket, right? Number E. Why is a single fixed pulley used even when it doesn't have a mechanical advantage? What is the answer? To change the direction of force. Which substance is used for making heating element in the electric heater? Nichrome. So nichrome is the alloy of nickel and chromium. Number G. If a student removes some message from social media harassing a friend and feels safe, which awareness does he or she lack? Digital footprint, right? So very nice style, you know, thinking also. Which is the molecular formula of calcium bisulfate? This is calcium carbonate, calcium hydrogen sulfate, calcium sulfate, calcium bisulfate. Bisulfate is this one. This is right. This formula is wrong. This formula is correct. CaHSO4 whole 2. Metal can conduct current. Which of the following is the reason behind this? Metal contains free electron. Because of free electron, it can be conducted. Which of the following is a group of organic compounds? Protein, carbohydrate, ammonia, methane, glycerin, phenol, alcohol, carbon dioxide, methane, methanol, chloroform, urea, ether, ammonia, methane, insulin. Which one is correct? Do you know? Methane, methanol, chloroform, and urea. They are, what are they? Organic compounds. Okay, so MCQ completed. BSQ. Why is matrix prefix important? What is the answer? Read together. Standard form, right? Big numbers, very small numbers, we can write standard form. So we know what the system like 2500000 can be written in metric prefix how? 2.5 times 10 to the power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6, very easy. Bigger numbers are written with positive power, smaller numbers are written with negative power. Number B, what is the question? Define inertia of motion. What is the definition? Tendency of a moving object to continue moving in a straight line at a constant speed, resisting any change to its state of motion unless acted upon by an external force. So, inertia of motion says if a body is moving, it moves continuously like Earth. Has the Earth got some velocity or not? With that velocity, it keeps on moving and moving and moving. Because of that, it revolves around the sun. That is inertia of motion. Now, next one is for what purpose does dolphin apply the process of reflection of sound? Dolphins, they use echo to navigate, to hunt and explore their environment. See? Reflection of sound, echo is used by them. Write the difference between electromotive force and potential difference. What is the difference? Electromotive force, it is the difference of potentials between two terminals of a cell in an open circuit. Open circuit. That means EMF is measured in open circuit. Potential difference is measured in closed circuit. It is the difference in potentials between any two points in a closed circuit. And electromotive force is always more, potential difference is always less. Number E. To broadcast long distance, astronauts send radio waves. This is one thing is missing, right? To broadcast long distance, astronauts send radio waves to communication satellite. Why? What is the answer? Astronauts send radio waves to communication satellites for long distance communication because satellite acts as high altitude relays that overcome the Earth's curvature, enabling uninterrupted and clear signals across the globe. So to get clear signal, they have to send which waves? Radio waves. They have got very high speed. Number F. Internet communication is a modern communication technology. Clarify the statement with an example. What is written here? Internet communication is a primary modern communication technology that enables instant, means quick, global and interactive exchange of information through emails, social media, etc. So, are we able to communicate with our relatives in a second or not? That is the example of internet communication. What is the ozone layer? Thin protective region in the Earth's stratosphere, which lies between 19 kilometer to 48 kilometer from the Earth's surface, km to 48 kilometer from Earth's surface. Bioinsecticide is better than chemical insecticide. How? How? Bioinsecticide does not pollute the environment, but chemical insecticide pollutes the environment. If you want to get more pollution, use chemical, otherwise bio. So nowadays pollution is the main issue in the whole world. Short questions expressed in scientific notation. 9, 4, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 meter means. Now, what is the scientific notation? 9.46 multiplied by, you have to count from 4. There are 15 places. So, 10 to the power 15. Okay. This is smaller number. So, 0.00000000067 means 6.67 times 10 to the power minus 12. What do you write there? Newton meter square. Newton meter square per kg square. Question number 4. What is the binomial system of nomenclature? Binomial means naming the organism using two names. Binomial system of nomenclature is a formal, standardized system of naming species of living organisms. And who introduced this by? Who introduced this one? Carolus Linnaeus, but it can be written in short form Carolus Linnaeus in 1758 AD was there, but he is there 53. Check it, right? And what is the scientific name of P? Pisum sativum. Pisum sativum. Observe the diagram and answer the following questions. Oh my God, here is a mushroom. What is B? B is style. What is A? Ileus. And what are you? Gills, seal, C is gills, and D mycelia. So they are familiar with this figure. Write the function of D. Mycelia. So it facilitates nutrients exchange. It helps to absorb the decaying matter for its survival. Where are basidiospores formed? They are formed in gills. Question number 6. What is the question? The number of births of new offspring is excessive, though population of organism is not increasing. How? Actually, it is of enormous fertility, The number of birth of new offspring is excessive, though population of organism is not increasing because high birth rates are balanced by high mortality rate also. Many are, okay, mortality rate also. And how mortality rate increases, they may not get suitable environment for survival, and they may be attacked by their enemies, right? Breeding place may be lakes. This is the thing. Number 10. Okay, here is the diagram. Write one application of the given devices shown in the diagram. Oh, it became opposite answer. What is B? While just keeping the photo, it became just like that. B is it is cellular phones, right? No, and this is remote control, right? And that is microwave oven, right? Right, microwave oven. Okay. A is used to cook food, and B is used to change the channel on TV, right? Give reason. Question number 11. A black hole is invisible. Why black hole is invisible? Their gravity is so strong that no light can escape from them. Very dense body. Small area, more mass. Protostar is not a star. What is the answer? A protostar is not a technical star because its core has not yet reached the necessary temperature and pressure to ignite nuclear fusion, to begin nuclear fusion. This is the beginning of a star, but it is not able to emit light. Question number 12. Write two differences between LEO and GEO. LEO, low Earth orbit. LEO, GEO, geostationary orbit. Okay. Description, height. What is the height of GEO? 36,000. So it is kept over there. And this orbit lies between 200 to 3,000 kilometer. And time to, what is this? Time in loss. What is this? 24 hours, 15 minutes. Advantage, what is advantage here? Covers 42 of the earth's surface and weather. But I think it became very unclear type. The picture was taken very nicely, but while elaborating it became by this one, right? Here also I think not so much. No problems due to Doppler, small pathless, when a constant view, very short round trip delays. So where are we? Number 12, right? Now 13. Okay, from current slide, again we go here. Write the two applications of Nepali SAT-1. What is the first one? Provides critical data for identifying and managing natural hazards. Next one, to capture images of Nepal's topography or topograph, alright. Number 4, a compound gives hydrogen ion and hydroxide ion when electrolyzed. Name the compound with molecular formula, also find the molecular mass. What is given here? It gives hydrogen ion and hydroxide ion. Means, what is the name of compound? What is the compound? Water. Water gives hydrogen ion and hydroxide ion. Then H2O, molecular mass is how 18? 2 times H plus O, 2 times 1 plus 16, 2 plus 16 equals to 18 AMU. Molecular mass you need to remember. Okay, now next one is now 15. Now 15 is write a balanced chemical equation of the following reactions. Hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide we can write here H hydrogen peroxide H2O2. This number should be written down. Broken down into H2O, water H2O plus oxygen O2. I think it's not balanced. To balance, write here 2, here 2. We write here arrow. Nitric acid HNO3. Okay, this 2, this is right. Nitric acid plus calcium hydroxide gives calcium nitrate plus water. HNO3 is nitric acid. CaOH whole 2. This is calcium hydroxide. CaNO3 whole 2. Calcium nitrate and water H2O. Number 16. Study the given diagram and answer the following questions. This diagram is about lab preparation of hydrogen gas. So J10 plus H2SO4 gives ZnSO4 plus H2. How can it be tested? How to test? Pop sound must come, right? So when a burning matchstick is brought near to the mouth of gas jar, then the gas burns with pop sound, forming water. Who is it? Why do you throw? Why do you throw like that? There and why did you disturb others? Come here. So everybody now check set 2 and start doing it now. Without wasting time. Come on.